How to log into TurboTax account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in TurboTax Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, turbotax.intuit.com. Open it. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. So go ahead and type in the phone number, email, or user ID. If you want to save it, you can check in for the option of Remember Me. After you provide your details, click on Sign In. In the next page, you will need to type in the password. After you type in your password, click on Continue. Or also you can use one-time sign-in code to log in. You will be receiving that code in the email address that is linked with your account. You just have to type in that code, and with that, you'll be logged into your account. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log into TurboTax account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.